The wind carried the smell of the sea that morning, a soft, salty breeze that always made Marina feel both alive and strangely nostalgic. She held her daughter's small hand as they walked along the promenade, the early sun painting the waves in gold. It was supposed to be a peaceful day, a simple walk, a moment of quiet in a life that had been anything but quiet for the last 3 years. 3 years since her husband, Alexei, vanished without a trace. 3 years since she buried the version of herself who believed in forever. 3 years since she learned to breathe again, slowly, painfully, one day at a time. Her daughter, little Sophia, skipped beside her, her curls bouncing with every step. She was 5 now, old enough to ask questions. Marina didn't always know how to answer, young enough to still believe that the world was full of magic. "Mommy," Sophia said, tugging at her sleeve, "can we get ice cream later?" "We'll see," Marina smiled, brushing a strand of hair from her daughter's forehead. "If you behave, I always behave," Sophia declared proudly. Marina laughed softly. "That's not exactly true." They walked a few more steps before Sophia suddenly stopped. Her hand tightened around Marina's fingers. Her eyes widened, not with fear, but with recognition. With certainty. "Mama," she whispered. Marina looked down. "What is it, sweetheart?" Sophia lifted her arm and pointed toward the pier. "Mama, look," she said again, louder this time. "There's Dad." The world froze. The air left Marina's lungs in a single sharp breath. Her heart slammed against her ribs. For a moment she couldn't move, couldn't think, couldn't even blink. Dad. That word had become a ghost in their home. A memory, a photograph on the shelf, a bedtime story. Slowly, as if her body no longer belonged to her, Marina followed her daughter's gaze, and then she saw him. A man standing at the edge of the pier, the wind tugging at his jacket. His posture, familiar, his silhouette, unmistakable. His head turned slightly, as if he were listening to something only he could hear. Her vision blurred, her knees weakened. It couldn't be. It was impossible. But it was him, Alexei, her husband. The man she had mourned. The man she had searched for until her hope collapsed under the weight of unanswered questions. The man she had loved more than life itself. He was alive. And he was standing right there. "Mommy?" Sophia whispered, confused by her mother's silence. Marina swallowed hard, her throat tight. "Stay close to me," she managed to say, her voice trembling. She took a step forward, then another. Her pulse roared in her ears. Every memory, every fight, every kiss, every promise, crashed over her like a wave. As she approached, the man turned. Their eyes met. And Marina felt the ground shift beneath her. It was him. But not him. His face was the same. The strong jaw. The dark eyes she once knew better than her own reflection. But there was something different, something shadowed, something distant. As if he were both present and far away at the same time. He looked at her with a mixture of shock and something else, something unreadable. "Alexei," she whispered. His lips parted. For a moment, he didn't speak. He simply stared at her, as if trying to decide whether she was real. Then, finally, he said her name. "Marina." Her heart broke all over again. 3 years earlier, Alexei had left home for a business trip. A simple, routine trip. He kissed her goodbye at the door, promised to call when he landed, and told her he loved her. He never arrived. His phone went dead. His colleagues never saw him. His hotel room was never checked into. The police found nothing. No body, no clues. No explanation, just absence. Just silence. Just pain. Marina had spent months searching, begging for answers, refusing to accept the unbearable truth. But eventually, the world forced her to move on. To raise their daughter alone. To rebuild a life from the ashes of a mystery. And now he was here, alive, breathing, looking at her as if she were the one who had disappeared. "Where have you been?" She whispered, tears burning her eyes. "Alexei, what happened to you?" He didn't answer immediately. His gaze flicked to Sophia, their daughter, who was hiding behind Marina's leg, peeking out with wide, curious eyes. "Sophia," he breathed, his voice cracking. She stepped out, hesitant but brave. "Daddy?" He knelt down slowly, as if afraid she might vanish if he moved too fast. "My little star," he whispered. Sophia threw her arms around his neck. Marina felt her heart shatter and heal at the same time. But the moment didn't last. Alexei pulled away gently, standing up again. His expression changed, tightened, as if he were bracing himself. "Marina," he said quietly, We need to talk. Her stomach twisted. I know, I have 1,000 questions.